We are not asking you to buy anything, refinance, or take out a new loan. No, not a nothing. We'll show you how to increase your financial statement, increase your net worth, increase your take-home pay, put your kids through college, retire early, buy a dream home, all without asking you for one dime out of pocket. Do we have your attention? Here are a couple of startling facts. After 10 years of payments, only 15% of your principal balance will have been reduced. You will pay from 2 to 3 times in mortgage payments what you originally paid for your home. And by age 62, even though you may have had good intentions of having your mortgage paid off, 80% of you will still be making payments. It's like climbing uphill in sand. When homeowners pay monthly yet are charged daily, for every couple steps they take, they slide back one. The reason, when putting numbers to a calendar, the sum of the parts is greater than the whole. Take a moment and look at a calendar. For the most part, there are not 4 weeks in a month. There are 4 weeks in 2 days, 4 weeks in 3 days, etc. Accruing these extra days adds up to an extra 2 weeks every 6 months. Manipulating the calendar to earn more interest, lenders have divided the number of weeks in a year, 52, by 2, resulting in the number of biweeklies, 26, in a year. Cutting 26 biweeklies in half gives lenders one whole additional month of interest each year that they tack onto unsuspecting homeowners' already huge outstanding balances. Using the same weapon your lender has been using against you, you can now use against them. To do this, we are going to show you how to use the calendar for your benefit, not your lender's. We will show you how to put your bill paying on automatic pilot and let the calendar do the rest. First, let's look at how banks and lenders have become the wealthiest institutions on earth. They calculate their earnings based on the time value of money, earning interest per diem, which is per day, even though homeowners pay monthly. Mortgage amounts not paid today are added to amounts not paid yesterday and are applied to the unpaid balance. Lenders use 2 different methods to calculate interest and payments, one for them and one for you. Monthly mortgage amounts, what homeowners pay, are calculated in accordance with conventional calendars. Mortgage interest, charged by lenders, is calculated on a daily accrual method. You would think what's good for the goose would be good for the gander. That would be true if you and your lender had the same goal. What's good for you, pay your loan off as inexpensively and as rapidly as possible, is the exact opposite for your lender. Earn as much interest for as long as possible. If interest was charged to your mortgage with the same frequency in which you paid your mortgage, life would be fair. We wouldn't be in business and you wouldn't be viewing this on your screen. It's all about timing and daily accrued interest. The paradox of time. Nobody has enough, yet everybody has all there is. Thus, you have a choice. Either have time work for you or against you. Lenders make time work for them by charging daily interest. Time works against you by paying monthly. By making half your mortgage payment every 2 weeks, the extra 2 and 3 days a month will accrue on your behalf as an extra half payment to principal paid twice a year. By doing this, the calendar will be on your side, not your lender's, increasing your equity, not your lender's profits. When homeowners join the tens of thousands of interest getters, not payers, who are doing something about what is being done to them, they will have more of their mortgage dollars going to principal, less to interest, building up their equity faster and paying off their loans sooner. Take a look at your past. Your future will be just like your past, except more years of it, unless you make a change in the way you're making your mortgage payments.